Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Syncler application, which will allow you to watch the newest movies and TV shows on your device, totally free of charge. And they got thousands of movies in the year, including the ones which are only available in the movie theaters. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies and TV shows available in that app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can easily get it for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on the device and start typing Downloader. And now, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings. So let's actually do it. We'll need to click on the button with the gear icon. After that, just scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, go to install on apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device right here, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's open the Downloader app, wait until it loads for you. From here, on the left side menu, click on Home, and then in the search bar, let's enter a code, which is going to be 289017. Then you just need to click on the Go button, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then after the website opened, you just scroll a bit until you find that list of categories. So from here, we'll have to click on Movies and TV. So you see that option right here. We'll click on it, and now a huge list of apps has appeared. So we scroll it down until we actually find Syncler. It should be somewhere here. Yep, there it is. Let's click on Syncler. And now an ad might open for you. So if you see an ad, don't worry and just click on close or on X to actually close down your ad. In my case, I'll have to click on X. And now let's wait until a new web page opens. There it is. Let's scroll down until you find that download button right here. That's the button we have to use. We click on it and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. That happened pretty fast. Now click on install and wait until it gets installed to your Firestick. Then click on done so you could delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore. So click on delete here. And now actually what we got to our device is the Syncler installation file. It's not a Syncler app itself yet. So now we have to go to the settings once again to My Fire TV, to developer options, install unknown apps, and turn that option on for Syncler installer. It's a must because we'll use Syncler installer to get the real Syncler app. Now finally gotta go to the list of apps on your device right here, and there's the Syncler installer. Now let's open it. And in a couple of moments the Syncler application will get installing to your device. You can see the progress bar at the bottom. As you can see, it's now at 20%, so let's wait until the app gets properly installed. Here you'll have to click OK, click Allow, to make sure the Syncler gets installed to your Firestick. There, just click on Install and wait until the process is finished. It will take a couple more seconds. And now the bottom says Install succeeded, so that's great news. Let's go to the list of apps on your device. Wait until it loads, and there at the bottom you'll find two applications. So this one on the left is just the installer, we don't need it anymore, so we can delete it. And this one is the real Syncler application. So don't forget to keep the VPN connected before accessing the app to make sure you are safe and secure online. Now let's open the app. And there you'll find all the movies and TV shows that you may dream of. Hope the video is helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.